What's up guys, Ackeem still here. So in this video right here I have some brake bleeder cap. As you can see right here, this is how them basically look. So we have a lot of them inside right here, but you basically go right here on this part for the brake bleeder cap where you can basically stop it from leak out. So we have some of them right here. I'm just gonna put them on so you guys basically how it look. So first I basically pull off the wheel, as you can see right there. I'm gonna put this little cap right onto this part, prevent it from leaking out. And go on there and it will stop it right there, as you guys can see, which is pretty perfect, fit comfortable on it right here, as you can see. So we have a lot of them right here, which you can change them around on the next side. We have a lot of spare one inside this package, as you can see. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Thank you guys for watching.